I know you're actually preparing hard for your JAMB UTME. You are studying, you have your textbook, you are attending tutorials, you are watching tutorial questions and stuff like that online. But the truth of the matter is that I have seen people who do all these cool stuffs only for them to enter the exam hall with confidence and clarity. Coming out, they look so confused and lost because they know within themselves that after doing all these stuffs, their effort is not actually going to reflect in their results. So if you want to write JAMB UTME 2026, then this video is so perfect for you. This video is one of the things, it's one of the videos you are supposed to watch no matter what you are doing. Keep it aside and watch this video to the very end, because what I'll be sharing with you here they are not just motivational talks, they are not just things I got from online. These are real life experience that I got and experiences that I've been sharing with my students at least for the past 3 years, and it has been very helpful to them because I've students who are in medicine and surgery, I've students who are in medical lab science, dentistry, radiography, nursing science, and just mention them. I have students all over there. So what I'll be sharing with you in this video, it's a practical proof that if you implement it, I tell you the truth, you are going to perform very well in your JAMB UTME. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejogba, and in my channel I help students level up the academic game. So if you're looking for the perfect community that will help you level up your academic game, where you're going to meet like minds like you, then don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also share my videos to your friends so they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping helpful videos like this. Now, one of the first things you're supposed to note when it comes to JAMB is that JAMB is all about strategy. When it comes to JAMB is not a theory exam. So as you're reading for JAMB, don't read for JAMB like an exam they will tell you to go and define anything. You are not defining anything when it comes to JAMB. So that's why I say JAMB is all about strategy. It is 100% objective. And when I say strategy, this strategy is simply the ability for you to answer question fast. So can you be able to answer this question fast, and not just answering this question fast, can you answer them correctly? You understand? Can you answer this question fast and in a correct way? Number two is that can you stay calm when you're actually confused? Those are the things JAMB will test you on. So JAMB is all about strategies, all about the ability for you to see how you can time yourself and the ability for you to stay composed even in difficult situations. Now, I've seen a lot of students who actually don't believe in themselves in the course of their JAMB preparation based on the fact that maybe they have some loopholes, some of the subjects they are not good in. The truth of the matter is that you don't have to be perfect when it comes to JAMB. You don't have to be perfect in any of the four subjects. You just need to see how you can score at least 75 in each of them. When you score 75, 75, 75, 75, that is 310. I think 310 or 300 plus. You understand? So you don't need to be perfect in all of them. Just see how you can score above average, which is from 75 and above, and you surely get 300, which is the score you're actually looking for. So you don't have to be perfect. You just have to try your best. And I've made a video for you to actually know that you are not perfect. Is that you have to use past questions. Try to test yourself, and when you test yourself, two things, you're going to see two things. You're going to see the subject, your strength, and you're also going to see your weakness. And in the same vein, you're also going to see where you are average. You understand? So your strength can be English and your weakness can be physics, and your average in chemistry and biology. That is okay. Get your textbook and focus on high-yield topics. I made videos on high-yield topics, and also I also made videos to talk about how you can discover high-yield topics in each of the subjects that you'll be writing in JAMB UTME. And also you have to know that when it comes to JAMB, the time is your worst enemy. You are writing 4 subjects in just 2 hours. English is 100 questions, biology 50, chemistry 50, and physics is 50. So you have approximately 250 questions in just 2 hours. And these are not just ordinary questions, these are trickish questions. Now when it comes to JAMB is there to confuse you. Most of the questions, when you check out most of the questions, you find that almost all the answers are similar. But when you look deeper, you find out that only 2 there are most similar. And this is what will lead me to what I talk about crossing out. When it comes to JAMB, since I talked about the time being your worst enemy, you don't have to dwell much on one particular question that is giving you problem. Just look at the 4 options. Look at the 4 options and see the options that are familiar and leads to the particular option, to the particular answer. So let's say you have a particular question, and you see the options, right? You find that two of the options there are going to look similar are looking similar and they are like the answers, right? So what you simply do is cross out the other two that are not related to the answer. Just cross it out and focus on that two. Now focusing on that two does not mean you have to waste your time much there. Focus on that two. Try to remember what you have read, and in case you don't remember, also try to use your intuition. Your intuition is always correct. You see, when it comes to JAMB, you see that first answer that comes to your mind, sometimes they are always correct. That first answer that comes to your mind that no, it is answer A, sometimes just click it might actually be the correct one. So when it comes to JAMB, always make sure you follow your intuition. And lastly is that you have to do real mock before you enter the exam hall. Please make sure you test yourself. Real mock setting. There are some apps that you can use. I'm not mentioning any apps. I'm not going to recommend any apps because I am not paid to promote them and I don't know their strength. You understand? But go to Google and check out some of these apps. You find out that these apps, some of them are there for you, some of them are free, and some of them you can activate. As time goes on, I'm going to build a JAMB app, and I'm going to build a JAMB app that students are going to be using. So try to say you can test yourself. Now, when you test yourself, when it comes to mock, you find out that there are a lot of things that you don't do. You understand? You find that there are a lot of things that you don't do, and you find that your weakness. You find that you easily get bored, and if you don't kill that boredom, that same thing is going to apply when you finally enter the exam hall. Because when you look at the questions, you find out that you don't even know the answer, and before you know it, you start second guessing and stuff like that, which automatically leads to your failure. That's why I say people enter the exam hall with confidence and come out looking so lost. So if you want to actually score high in JAMB UTME before you enter the exam hall, please make sure you understand all this stuff. Know that JAMB is all about strategy. Know that you don't have to be perfect, and knowing that timing is your worst enemy. And to actually kill out the timing, which is your worst enemy, learn the art of crossing out, and you have to also do re-mock exam. You can also be part of my JAMB WhatsApp classes. We run our class on Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. for as low as 5,000 naira. We treat the science subject. So if you are really dreaming, you really wish to score high in your JAMB UTME, then join us for this class for as low as 5,000 naira monthly. Chat me up on WhatsApp or 070-6246-2746, 070-6246-2746, and you can be part of this class. And apart from tutorial, we also provide you with study materials, past question and answer, and timely responses from our tutors. If you find this video helpful, if you find it informative, please don't also forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share these videos. Share this video to your friends so they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. Drop it in the comment section. Say I will not fail JAMB this 2026. Yes, say it in the comment section. I will not fail JAMB this 2026, because faith works. When you have faith that you will not fail JAMB, for sure God will help you, and you also try your best. You are going to score high in your JAMB UTME. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you are wonderful, always remember that you are unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.